Welcome to our third EZPOG tutorial, where we will cover importing product attribute data. At the very core of your planogram is your product, and here I will demonstrate how to get your product into EZPOG so you can begin merchandising. You can do this from the home screen or with any planogram open by clicking the Import/Export menu at the top of the screen and selecting Import Product Attribute Data. This opens our import screen. Here I can download our provided product attribute template. When you open this file in Excel, please be sure to click Enable Editing at the top. You can paste your product data into our simple template. Please note you cannot change the headings of any of the columns or your data will not load properly. I have a saved template prepared, so I will return to our upload screen. Here I simply browse for the file and click Open. Once I've selected that file, I can click Import. Once complete, you'll be shown how many items were inserted, updated, or if there were any errors. You can check the status of past uploads at any time by clicking on the Import/Export menu and clicking View Import Queue. This opens our Upload Queue screen. This is where you can review the status of current or previous uploads. You can refresh at any time by refreshing your browser, but it will not refresh on its own. Once your file has successfully loaded, you can begin merchandising. If you had a planogram open, you should save it and reopen it to see all new products. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit ezpog.com for more information or email us at info@ezpog.com.